Welcome to the Science Lab. Reflection is the change in direction of a ray of light at an interface between two different media in such a way that the ray of light returns into the medium from which it had started. The laws of reflection govern the reflection of light rays as they strike on a smooth and polished surface. The first law states that the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. The second law of reflection states that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. In this experiment, you are going to verify these laws of reflection. So, let's get started. For conducting this experiment, you need drawing board, white sheet of paper, common pins, mirror placed on a stand, pencil, ruler and protractor. Let's get started. Begin this experiment by fixing a sheet of paper on the drawing board using common pins. Using a pencil, draw a line XY on the white sheet of paper. Place the long edge of a mirror along the line XY. Now, fix two pins A and B along a line in front of the mirror. Keeping your eye position as shown, place two other pins P and Q in line with the images of A and B as seen in the mirror. Next, mark the position of all the pins with a pencil. Now, remove all the pins and the mirror. Then, draw a line joining the points A and B to meet the line XY at a point O. The line AB represents the incident ray falling on the surface of the mirror. Now, draw a line joining the points P and Q to meet the line XY at O. The line PQ represents the ray of light reflected from the surface of the mirror. Now, draw a perpendicular line to the reflecting surface XY at the point of incidence O. This perpendicular line represents the normal. Measure the angle between the incident ray and the normal at the point of incidence. This angle represents the angle of incidence. Let's label it angle I. Next, measure the angle between the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence. This angle represents the angle of reflection. Let's label it angle R. What do you observe? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence always lie in the same plane. The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are always equal. Hence, the laws of reflection are thus verified through these observations. We have now successfully completed this experiment and verified the laws of reflection.